In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice in ChatGPT. We're keeping this simple and practical. You'll be using the voice button right inside the message bar, turning on your microphone, and then speaking your prompt as if you were talking to a person. That's the whole process, and it only takes a moment to master. Start by looking at the text bar where you typically type your message. On the far right, you'll see a small icon that looks like a microphone or a waveform. That's the voice button. Tap it to switch to voice input. You might notice a short animation or a recording indicator that shows the app is ready to listen. Next, make sure your microphone is on. This just means your device's mic isn't muted and it has permission to listen. If your device shows a prompt asking for access to the microphone, go ahead and allow it. That's a normal security check, and it lets ChatGPT hear you clearly. A quick way to tell things are working is that you'll see a visual cue, like levels moving or a timer, when you start speaking. Now you can talk to ChatGPT using your own voice. Speak naturally, the same way you would with a friend or a coworker. Ask a question, give an instruction, brainstorm ideas, or dictate a note. Pause briefly when you finish a thought so the system knows you're done. After you stop speaking, ChatGPT will process your voice and respond just as it would to a typed message. A few tips can make this smoother without adding any extra steps. Pick a quiet spot so background noise doesn't compete with your voice. Sit close to your computer microphone or hold your phone a comfortable distance from your mouth. If you're mentioning names or technical terms, say them clearly and a little slower. If you want punctuation in the text, you can say things like comma or period, but it's perfectly fine to just speak normally and let the system handle sentence structure. If your prompt is long, breaking it into shorter, focused thoughts can help keep the conversation organized. You can speak a piece, listen to the reply, then continue the conversation out loud. And if the response isn't exactly what you meant, simply clarify with another quick voice message. When you're done, you can always return to typing by tapping back into the text bar. But remember, the process is as straightforward as it sounds. Find the voice icon on the far right, tap it, make sure your microphone is on, and talk to ChatGPT using your voice. That's it. Give it a try and enjoy faster, more natural conversations without typing.